Oh.
There's baby Jedediah with
Oh.
mommy. Hello, Jedediah.
Hey, Didi.
You being a good boy? Huh?
Yeah, he's a good boy. He
has hiccups, don't ya?
Yeah. And he comes out on the
Oh
weekend so
my.
Daddy don't have to miss school, you know? Good boy. Good boy, right? You good boy? Your mommy's nose. Look at that. Smells like a baby. Got the same nose here. You could really tell that we're related.
Yeah.
You want to go home with us? You just have to be good.
Times get
Be
lots
strong
better.
and hang on there, okay?
All strong, and you can come home.
Yeah. Just have to kick some more. And show to them that you're ready to go home. Okay? Okay, Kay? Okay? It's hard for him that way.
Yeah.
He got hiccups.
Aww.
You know? You know? You know? Oh, poor guy. Poor guy. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, that's a big one too. Oh no. Oh no.
1 day old and has hiccups all over.
2 days.
This is the 2nd day.
It's okay. So that means you're growing up still, huh? I guess so. Did you got mommy's eyebrow or daddy? I'm not sure about that. Oh. Smells so good, sweetie. Ew, that was a big poop. Did you see that? Scared me to death. You'll be a good boy, right? Hey, your cousin Hosea has a curly hair. No, and he can't wait to see you. And is that from here?
Probably saying that his bag's almost empty.
Oh, poor guy. Poor little guy. Poor little guy. Little guy, poor. Poor little guy, little guy, little guy. Poor little girl, little girl. Mwah. Mwah. One more kiss. One more kiss. Love you. You must be very hungry, huh? It's okay. We'll have fish in the future. We'll just hide it from Dad, okay? See us eating fish. Say hi to your cousin way back home. Hi, Hosea.
Say hello, Jedediah. Hi.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi, I'm Daddy.
Hi,
Can you
Papa
say
Kelly.
Daddy?
Hi, Grandpa Kelly.
You guys aren't ready.
Hi, cousins.
You ready to get back in bed?
Silly question to say, are you ready?
I know. You ready to get back in the bed and get the light
Hi,
on you?
Justin. Hi, Ace. Hi, Queen.
Hello, Jedediah. Yeah, you're a good little boy. Yes, you are.
Hi. Who else are the cousins? Hi,
Say-
Soy Soy.
And Clarence.
Hi, Clarence. And hi,
Jamon.
Jomong. And hi, Auntie Queenie. And hi, Kuya Ace. Oh, hi, everyone. Hi there, Sampong.
Say bye-bye.
Yeah. Poor little guy had already has hiccups.
Then lay him back down and turn the lights on him
Okay.
so that he can get all better.
Yep. You will be better. You will be strong for us, okay? I'll see you around later. Okay? Oh, poor little guy. Poor little guy. You are such a precious gift to us, okay? Okay? Alright, go turn your nose. Alright, go turn your nose. Oh, he farted again.
Uh-oh. Oh, tote, huh?
A good guy. Oh, look at your tiny bottom there. Tiny bottom over there. Tiny bottom over there. He looks at you like this, right? I'm not sure whose look is that.
Like,
That's not me. Maybe that's you. What?
This is you all's pile of paperwork
Okay.
to take with you, okay? So
Yep.
I'll sit right here on the corner.
No
and
problem.
Grab that when you go, okay?
Yep.
Those are mine.
You will be fine here, okay? Okay.
We'll see you in a little bit.
See you in a little bit.
Grab that way, and then if you'll make sure that IV doesn't get caught on.
Okay.
Ooh, you said where we going, huh? Where are we going?
All about it. That's joy. That's your joyride.
That's the joyride for the day, right?
Yeah. Now you get all better, Jedediah.
I'll see you, young guy, later. Enjoy just your friends here around.
There we go.
Take Mommy and see if we can get some food out for you.
And actually, Dad, I'm going to have you